Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto download in the Audible app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions, a little bit of an overview of the app. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then in the top right corner we tap on the cog icon, then we tap on data and storage, and here if you scroll down we have auto download. We can turn this on, and what this does is that after you have purchased a title or after you have picked a title, if you have a monthly subscription, you can pick a title every month. It will automatically start downloading that book, and then you can listen to it. And paired with the automatic remove, you can actually just purchase a book, listen to it, and then have it removed automatically. So it only takes up space while you are actually listening to it and while you are actually in the process of understanding the message of that book. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.